What we ran into with the insert we started with, our competitors, long, stringy shaving, couldn't break the shaving. We went from 200 parts per edge with the competitor to 300 with KCP 25C. It was just like that.
When I think of Kennametal, I think of the top of the line, the best tool you can get. And that's complementary to who we are. Kennametal was instrumental on helping us keep the quality of this product the highest we can. Imagine a car going 200 miles an hour, you don't want this wheel nut to fall off. And part of that is making sure you have a high quality part. And it took high quality tooling to achieve that goal.
When I hear the brand Kennametal, first word I think of is performance and longevity.
We're running faster and harder than we were with the competitor. We're breaking the chip, the insert's cheaper, and we're getting twice the tool life we were with the competitor. So it's just win after win after win.